What's up guys, welcome back to Project 253. It's been a rough year, I haven't been home a lot, the shop is a complete mess. Everybody that's been following the Facebook page of Project 253 already knows about this, or the guys, people watching that know me personally. This winter I needed a car that was reliable, going to get me to work. If I was going to spend money on a car, I was going to spend money on something that I really would enjoy, something I would really love and take care of. So I bought a Toyota 86.
Shut up and sit down.
And so far, the only thing that I've done to this car is drive it. Everything's under warranty, so I don't want to change too much on it. Main reason of this car is something reliable to get me to work. This is now my daily driver. This is everything. I sold my truck. My other daily died on me, so this is it. So this is my daily race car. Obviously, part of doing what I love to do is personalizing my car. I gotta do a little something to make it different from everybody else's. So the first thing I'm putting onto this is a little windshield banner. It's gonna be flat black, so it's very discreet. It doesn't pop flash. So before I put that on, I gotta clean the windshield. Now to get rid of any kind of grease or any kind of solvent cleaners, stuff that was on there. I'm using a very diluted simple green. So I have already washed the windshield a few times. I'm just gonna give it a few more sprays and give it a final clean. Start wiping it off. Scrub it down good and let it dry. Start measuring some vinyl, some flat black stuff. So now that I got everything all marked out and lined up and ready to cut, I couldn't find my razor blade, so I went in the house and I stole Jesse's scissors. I'm gonna cut it out and get it ready to put on the car. So to get this sheet of vinyl without any wrinkles or bubbles in it, or too many, I'm gonna use a technique kind of like they do for tinting. Soak in water, and we'll see what happens. So the idea here is to spray some on so that when you put the sticker on, you can still move it. You can straighten it out before it settles. Now that I've got the vinyl laid down, pretty much where I want it, all measured up. Just time to make it not wrinkly and get rid of those air bubbles. So I'm out of time now. I know what I want to do. I know where I want to go. I know what I want out of life. And so I had to make some choices. I'm selling the Rx7, my tuner to get to shows and go on the racetrack, the 86. But basically what I decided was, number one, driving it daily through all kinds of conditions. I'm really going to learn how to drive it, what it does, what it can't do, and how it feels, how it reacts. And number two, well, if I'm going to spend all this money, it might as well be something that I like. Let's make it a daily and race car, daily race car. The reason I chose the 86, if you gotta ask, man, you don't know. The 86 has something very special about it. Anyway, I'm really happy I got this car. That's all there is to that. I figured today maybe I'm just gonna hang out in the shop. I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit because we gotta get this out. And out, I mean out. So I just pulled the cover off my FD and it's kind of getting me in the feels, you know? Like, I had a lot of fun with this car. There's a lot of cool stuff in it. Put a lot of work in it, a lot of money. Realistically, it's got to go. Kind of unfortunately for whoever decides to buy the car, they're not getting the Sparco interior with it. Shift knob and boot, those are gonna stay in there because the original ones were pretty messy. First thing on the agenda is start taking this stuff out. First thing I'm gonna do, which is super easy to make a bit of room, is take off the steering wheel. And now we take everything else out. Here we go. So the Sparco stuff's out. I never sat in the back seat of this thing before. No kidding, they suck. Now that all the stuff that I'm gonna keep is out of the car, time to clean it up and put all the stock components back in. Anyways, here it is. Back to stock. Still looks beautiful. So now I just gotta take it outside, wash it. It's gonna be cold. And then bring it back in and start really cleaning it up, making it look choice. Okay, so it's been a while since I've started this up, so bear with me, let's see what happens, huh? Everything looked good. Take it outside and clean it. Gotta move the 8.6 out of the way first. So I figured I should wash the car and give me a chance to sweep out the garage and stuff. Went well, except for now my dumb ass is soaking wet and freezing cold because it's the middle of February and it's still winter outside, so maybe not a great idea. But she's clean. Time to bring it back in. So I think that's gonna be it for today. It's getting kind of late out. My lady will be home soon. We're gonna go have supper and stuff. I got the Rx7 clean. Stock interior is back in it. I'll come in here tomorrow morning and I'll probably do a lot of fine detailing. I'm gonna clean the interior, clean up all the engine bay, check underneath it and make sure everything's cool. Just make it look good so I can take some nice pictures and I can start advertising it. I've advertised it very vaguely. Like I put just 1 or 2 pictures up on social media and so far I'm getting calls, I'm getting messages. That's good. So I don't think it'll take long. And yeah, so that's it for tonight. Get back at it tomorrow.